Hello, hello, welcome back to CGTV. More specifically, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to episode 3 of a series I'm calling Targa Trouble or Targa Trauma. God knows what I've gone with, but I'm going to go for a little bit of alliteration. Anyway, you join me on episode 3 of the ongoing saga that is my 911 87 Targa. Now, if you caught the last episode, you'll realise that my first episode was effectively me crying wolf, and the second episode was me getting what I deserve. In the first episode, we went through the car and we went round it and we just said we're going to do some tidying up. The car doesn't look too bad, and the car basically fooled everyone. Everyone thought it wasn't too bad, there wasn't much rust, and it was a car that actually didn't really need much doing. By the time we got to episode 2, we realised that the car was actually screwed. I clickbaited everyone at the start on episode 1 saying that it was screwed, but it wasn't. But it turns out by episode 2 that it actually was. So I got what I deserved with that. Anyway, it was in quite a sorry state, and the guys here at Rindt Vehicle Design have been working their magic on it. They've been doing a lot of chopping up, they've been doing a lot of sawing, there's been a lot of rust flying around, but they've done an amazing, amazing job so far. I just wanted to come in, check in with the car, show you guys what's been going on, and show you actually what goes into these bare metal restos, because there's so much work. It is so, so clever. So yeah, bit of an update really. So we're going to go in, we're going to look around the car, and then I'm going to get out of here and we're going to end the video. No other waffle, no adverts, a little bit of content, I'm going to go. So, right. Here she is then, up on the ramp. She hasn't really moved since the last time you saw her, nor does she look any more roadworthy at a glance. However, there's been a huge amount of clever stuff that has gone on here. So we're gonna go round first. We're gonna go round here first. I mean, it's always alarming coming in here and seeing the car in this state. I mean, it's absolute chaos, total chaos. This is actually quite good, the engine. Bar the leak in there, which we haven't actually addressed yet. But you'll see, eagle-eyed viewers will see that it's looking a lot better already. Okay, so I'm not going to go through it again because I don't know what I'm talking about. Star of the show last time. You're already famous by this point. Episode 2 hasn't gone out yet, but you'll be famous by now, so they'll be wanting more already. So, you've been working on this pretty much solidly for, what, a week or 2 now?
A week, yeah, just a week. Yeah.
A week. I lose track of time when you're churning. So you've been very, very busy on this car. What has happened?
So, because I had to access inside the wing because all underneath and stuff was pretty rusty.
Yep.
So what I've done, I just literally cut a section here.
So you've cut there. You've cut a line from here. You can't see that at all.
Take all the front of the wings off.
Yeah.
Take the inner off as well, the seal as well out. And
so this is all come out.
Yeah.
This
so
door's still the lock.
All new. And I put the back one in after.
Wow, all this then is new. This is unrecognisable, and this is obviously going to get painted and whatever, so that's incredible. I don't know how you managed to do that. That's old,
yeah,
and that's new, and it's just literally seamlessly into the same. That's bonkers. And that now means that the car, A, is structurally sound, and then you give the door a little slam, it even sounds better.
Yeah.
That's incredible. That's absolutely amazing. And you've also
flush all around here. Flush as well here, so it's pretty nice.
Really nicely done. That's unbelievable. How you do that, I have absolutely no idea. That is, in fact, you've cut that open, and you've also up here as well.
Yeah, this section here, just a little patch here.
So that was all rusted and crusty. You would have seen in episode 2, and now that is literally new, ready for paint. It's unbelievable. It's incredible. I actually saw some of the tools they're using. It's just absolutely bonkers. I can't get my head around it. So we'll start. This was damaged here, but you fixed that straight away.
Because still a little one here, working on at the moment, coming back on it. And we had the whole section here was actually really in.
Yeah, so this arch here was a complete mess before. The original kind of lines on the arch were ruined, and now it's kind of as good as new. I must apologise. I've literally just turned up whilst he's working and pointed a camera at him, so yeah, I can only apologise for that. I will do that, so beware. So this obviously is not finished. This is where that one was a little while ago.
Yeah. So I cut, like I was saying, I cut the section here, cut the section, and you can see here.
Chaos.
Was there.
That's a new piece down there.
I can see that one on the bottom.
I'll load that.
And then I'm going to go back there.
And hey presto. So it's going to go back like that. However, the kidney bowls are obviously underneath this piece. Have you got the originals to have a little look at? There we go, I spy some rust in here. It's all quite scary.
That was
That.
pieces was there.
So that's the kidney bowl, yeah?
Yeah.
State of it. So from underneath, when we originally first looked at it, it didn't look too bad. The bits that we could see, they weren't that bad. But actually, around the front, they were completely and utterly screwed.
Just going kind of like that.
I mean, that is a mess. So those come out.
Now we got the new one.
It's been replaced by nice shiny metal. There we go. Just like that. So that's been obviously done in the other side, but this is brand new.
Yeah, both sides going to be brand new and
Amazing. Unbelievable. So this is the level of work that goes in. It's not just a little bit of rust you have to kind of chop out and just fill in and whatever. It's serious work that's going in. And when this car's done, it'll be literally like brand new. It's I still can't get my head around what you guys do. That's amazing. Absolutely nailed it. Top stuff. So if you're really unlucky, mate, I'm going to be back for episode 4 and then come in and annoy you again and point the camera at you. But it'll be looking a lot different.
it should be done here by then, yeah.
Speak to your agent, send over an invoice for the fees. But yeah, incredible stuff, mate. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
So that then is that. That is the current state of play with my Targa. Huge shout out to the guys here at Rindt Vehicle Design, and thanks again to Ludo for jumping on the channel and explaining what on earth has been going on, and of course for his amazing work. Thank you very much for watching this series. I know it's not as like glamorous or glitzy as some of the stuff I've been doing, but this stuff really piques my interest. I love all this stuff, and hopefully you guys, if you weren't into it, you're getting into it, and if you were into it already, you're enjoying it, and I'm not making a complete hash of it. So thanks so much, and if you want to check out Rindt, hit their Instagram right up there, because there's loads of projects going on and loads of bits and bobs that I haven't even shown you that they're up to. Stay tuned. See you later, guys. Bye.